What if the biggest thing holding you back in life is the word no? What if saying yes more often could completely transform your confidence, opportunities, relationships, and happiness? In this video, I'm sharing powerful lessons and personal reflections from Year of Yes by Shonda Rhimes. This book is about how 1 year of saying yes changed her life, helping her overcome fear, insecurity, and self-doubt. The main message of this book is simple but powerful. Growth begins when you stop hiding from life. For years, Shonda Rhimes was incredibly successful professionally, but personally, she avoided many experiences because of fear, anxiety, and discomfort. Then she challenged herself to say yes to things that scared her, and that decision changed everything. One of the biggest lessons in the book is this: fear quietly limits opportunities. Many people avoid things not because they can't do them, but because they're uncomfortable. Identify situations you constantly avoid. Ask yourself, what am I afraid of? Start taking small, uncomfortable actions. Confidence grows through action, not avoidance. Saying yes opened doors Shonda never expected. New experiences create growth. You don't discover new possibilities by staying safe all the time. Say yes to learning opportunities. Say yes to meeting new people. Say yes to experiences that challenge you. Life expands when you become more open. The book also explores authenticity. Many people hide parts of themselves to avoid judgment, but hiding creates disconnection. How to apply: speak more honestly. Express your opinions confidently. Stop trying to please everyone constantly. Authenticity creates freedom. Most people wait to feel confident before taking action, but confidence usually comes after action. Take action before you feel ready. Accept imperfection, build courage through repetition. Courage is practiced, not born. One powerful lesson is learning to enjoy life more fully. Success means little if you're constantly exhausted and disconnected. Spend time doing things you genuinely enjoy. Laugh more often. Create balance between work and personal life. Joy is not a distraction from life, it's part of a meaningful life. A single mindset shift can change your direction. One yes can create a completely different future. Growth often begins outside your comfort zone. Start saying yes to healthy challenges. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Trust yourself more. Your life changes when your choices change. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: sometimes we're not stuck because we lack talent. We're stuck because fear keeps us small. The moment we become more open to life, life opens back up to us. Year of Yes reminds us, growth, confidence, and joy often begin with one simple word: yes. Not reckless yes, but courageous yes. If this message resonated with you, comment "Say Yes" below as a reminder to stop letting fear control your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs encouragement to step outside their comfort zone today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.